Today, I am going to talk about the most requested thing on my channel, my habit tracker stick. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're gonna do it. We're gonna talk about the habit stickers. I get asked about these all the time. I have for years, and I'm finally gonna tell you where the idea came from. Spoiler alert, wasn't me. And then I'm gonna give you 5 options for the habit tracker stickers, okay? We're gonna talk about all the options that you have, from the least expensive to the most expensive, even though not really all that expensive. If this isn't about money, it could be about aesthetics for you. It could be about ease of changing your mind for the habits or the colors, whatever it is. We're gonna talk about all the options, all the habits, all the stickers in this video. So let's start with the idea for the habit stickers. I just want to give credit where credit is due. I did not come up with the idea for the habit tracker stickers. In fact, when I first started using my Erin Condren Life Planner, I bought the habit tracker stickers from an Etsy shop. The Etsy shop's name was Organized Stickers, and I found her because I was looking for checkbox stickers when I was using my vertical, which I did up until a couple of weeks ago, where I was putting a checkbox sticker on every single day. I used to order them from her, and she also made habit tracker stickers, and I saw those in her Etsy shop and was like, that's perfect. I need that in my life. So I came up with all the habits that I wanted to accomplish. I sent her my custom order and she sent me the stickers. And I used those from her for a couple of weeks, and then I wanted to change one of my habits. But I had already ordered all of these stickers from her. And that's when I realized I needed to make the habit trackers myself. Somebody had uploaded a file in We Love EC, the Facebook group, of the habit tracker stickers. And I did go digging for that file originally, but it was actually in PowerPoint, the original file. So I created my own habit tracker stickers in Word. So if you have Microsoft Word and a printer, or heck, if you have a Staples nearby, you can go into Microsoft Word. It is literally as simple as making a text box, typing in the habit, enter MTW, like the letters for the days of the week, and that's it. And that is what I did. And it wasn't even as fancy as then turning it into a sticker. I would print it from Microsoft Word. I would cut it with a pair of scissors. I would take a double-sided adhesive roller that you can get at Michael's, you can get on Amazon, and I would stick it into my planner. That is how I first started making my own habit stickers. So that is the cheapest option and the easiest option. If you don't want to deal with buying sticker paper or a sticker cutting machine or ordering from anybody or dealing with any of that mess, you can just make it in Microsoft Word, text box, print, cut, glue, stick, done. That is the first option, and that is definitely the easiest option. Option number 2 is the one I graduated to after that, and that gets a little bit more complicated, but not that much. All I did was started ordering sticker paper, and I originally got my sticker paper from, I think, Staples. I think I went and bought like full sheet of sticker paper from Staples, but now I order it from Online Labels. I will link it below. You can get pretty much anything you want from Online Labels in terms of like a shape of a sticker. I just get the plain matte, not the premium matte, just plain old, non-repositionable plain matte, and I get the full backing. Now it is cheaper if you get like a slit in your back, in the backing of the sticker paper, and it's also cheaper if you buy it in bulk. So I will typically buy like 1,000 sheets at a time, which lasts me forever, and that's where I get my sticker paper. So then what I started doing was still using my same Microsoft Word file. I would print it from Microsoft Word. I would still cut it with scissors, but this time, instead of using the adhesive roller, I would just peel the backing off and stick it into my planner. That's option 2, is making it in Microsoft Word, cutting it with a pair of scissors, but now printing it onto sticker paper so you don't have to use an adhesive roller and it is an actual sticker in your planner. Option number 3 is what I'm currently doing, and that is what I get a lot of questions about, is how do you make your habit tracker stickers? So let's start with the software that I use. I no longer use Microsoft Word to design my habit tracker stickers, but it is still just as easy as a text box. And now I use software that goes with my sticker cutting machine. So the software is called Silhouette Studio because my sticker cutting machine is a Silhouette. So the software it's pretty intuitive. Again, it's pretty much just like Word. Like I draw a text box and I type in my habits. And then all I do each week is sometimes I change the habits and then I'll change the color of the habit tracker sticker. I'll talk a little bit more about colors when we get to the end. Not the end, but I will talk about colors, I promise. Anyway, so the software that I use is Silhouette Studio, and the machine that I use is called a Silhouette. Now there are lots of different cutting machines. I personally use the Silhouette. That's just what happened to be on sale on Amazon 3-4 years ago when I bought it. as a Christmas present to myself. There's also 2 different sizes of the silhouette. There's a portrait and there's a cameo. Now the portrait is 8.5 by 11, and that's what I use because all I do is print on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of sticker paper and then cut it out. The cameo is 12 by 12, and that is created more for like scrapbooking projects when you're using a 12 by 12 sheet of scrapbook paper. I am not going to go through here how to use those machines. There are tons of YouTube tutorials that I myself watched on how to use the Silhouette software and the Silhouette machines. That's not what we're here to talk about. I'm just telling you this is what I use to make my habit stickers. So each week what I'll do is I will design my habit tracker stickers with the habits that I want and the colors that I want. And then I go in and I change the settings so that the habit sticker itself is kiss cut on the paper. All that means is that I'm not cutting through the back of the sticker. I'm just cutting out the sticker part, not the back, if that makes sense. And then I also do a big box around all the stickers that I do try and cut through the entire thing. And then I stick it into my Silhouette machine and I press go, and then it cuts it out. And it kiss cuts the habit tracker stickers, and then it goes all the way around on the other side. It's that simple. The complicated part is actually buying the machine because it's not cheap. And it was definitely an investment when I first bought it, but there are other stickers that I use it for as well, not just my habit tracker stickers. I also use it to make logos, which I can't buy from shops. I also use it to make last minute stickers that I need something for. I do use my Silhouette machine for things other than habit tracker stickers. So if that's all you're looking to use it for, that might not be the best investment, but I am very happy. And like I said, I've had it for like 3 or 4 years at this point. And sometimes it gets a little bit feisty and sometimes it doesn't quite work and you gotta mess with it and finagle it and troubleshoot, but eventually it works and I get my habit tracker stickers made. So that is option number 3, and that is how I currently make my habit tracker stickers. Option number 4 is to buy them from me. This is not something that I shout to the moon about. This is not something I'm ever gonna create an Etsy shop for. I don't want to own a sticker shop. I don't want to make stickers all the time, but I want to help you achieve your goals. And I know how important habits are to goals. I know how important they are to me. I know how important my habit tracker stickers are to me. And that is why I do make and sell customized habit tracker stickers, the actual stickers. I will not send a PDF of the stickers. I sell the actual stickers. I will leave all the information for that in the description box below if you aren't interested in buying them from me instead of the first 3 options that I gave you, or option 5 that we haven't gotten to yet. That is option number 4. Option number 5 is to stack habit tracker stickers from other shops. So what a lot of shops do, and a lot of shops do include these as part of kits if you're a weekly kit planner, but even if you're not, a lot of shops will have like a habit tracker rectangle where it's just one habit, and then you write in what the habit is, and then it has like Monday through Sunday on the bottom, and then you can check it off. And then what you do is you take those and you stack them on top of each other, and so then you can have as many as you want. Now the nice thing is, because you are writing it in, you can change your habits each week, and it's very easy to do that. The one negative is then you are like, whatever colors come in that shop, those are your color options. Now again, if you're doing a weekly kit and it comes as part of the weekly kit, that's great. The other negative is that you can only fit so many, because those boxes are so big that even if you take up like the whole side of the sidebar, depending on what planner you're in, you can only fit so many habits, where if I squish and I make the font pretty small, I can fit a lot of habits on one sticker. But I will link, I know Chrissy Designs has some of those habit tracker stickers, so I will link her shop below, but a lot of shops make those like stackable habit tracker stickers. So let's talk colors, since that is one of the negatives of doing stacked stickers from a shop. And I've had a lot of questions about how I get the colors to match so perfectly. It's a combination of a science and an art, and a very time-consuming activity, but one that I really love when the habit tracker matches the weekly kit just so perfectly. And I do this for my workout stickers that I make as well, which I make in the same way that I make my habit tracker sticker. I forgot to mention those earlier when we were talking about stickers that I make. Those I started making partially to have the color match perfectly, and partially because I was using them so frequently that I just couldn't justify the cost of ordering them from a shop. There are a lot of shops that make similar workout stickers that I do like Chrissy Designs, and I will use those sometimes. You've seen that in my last couple of Plan With Me's, but if I have a kit that isn't from her shop and I'm trying to match it exactly, I will make my own workout stickers. So what I'll do is I'll make a bunch of little squares on the screen, and then I will fill them in with colors that are like close but slightly different, but close to the color I'm trying to match. So say I'm trying to match color red. I'll do like 6 different shades of red, but like they're all pretty close, but they're slightly different. And then, because every printer is different and the screen is way different than the printer. And then I'll print them out, and then I will see which one matches the best, and that's the color that I'll use. Again, it's a little bit ridiculous, but I like having the colors match as close as possible. That's it. That is literally it. And it is as simple as Microsoft Word and a double-sided roller glue sticky thing. If you have any questions, if that is unclear at all, please let me know in the comments. I will link everything that I talked about in the description box, and I really hope that this helped because I get this question so often. I feel like I'm gonna be linking to this video forever because I get that question so often. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning. And then I'm gonna talk about, but now I order it from Organized, that's not right. Anyways, so and then it has like Monday through Friday, not Friday, at like the Mercy, not the Mercy, I don't like that phrase.